I have a pen pal. Her name is. Her hobbies are.
Reading and listening to music. Mommy, I got 100 marks on my spelling test.
Wow, you've improved so much. Well done. Good job.
Yup, I also noticed that Ethan's performance is getting better.
Yeah, after he joined Genius Mind Academy, he improved a lot in a short period of time.
Genius Mind? What is Genius Mind?
Genius Mind Academy is a place that focuses on children's brain development. Their memohack course focuses on the mature character, dynamic brain, and photographic memory. They are very professional teachers with scientific learning program. You can check out their website to know more about the philosophy of teaching.
Wow, it sounds good.
Every child has the potential to be as focused and confident as Ethan, with strong learning and memory power. We are using the 5-6-5 formula, where we activate the 5 senses, balancing the 6 brainwaves, and enhancing 5 areas of the brain. I believe that the training for Genius Mind Academy is the pathway to success, and nobody is going to miss this very, very important training. I always emphasize that before you cut down a tree, you need to sharpen the axe. In the same way, you need to train your brain before going to school. All our courses are copyrighted. We have to be careful because more and more unprofessional institutes are raising up today to produce counterfeit courses. Make sure you are not scammed when you register your children for the brain training courses.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I got 40%.
Oh, okay. Good job, huh?
Okay.
Okay, next we have Genius Mind Academy, Mr. Goy Chan Hong.